In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable your LinkedIn profile view. Navigating the digital space means understanding the fine balance between visibility and privacy, especially on professional networking platforms like LinkedIn. There might be various reasons you want to go incognito on LinkedIn. Maybe you're on the hunt for a new job and you don't want your current employer to get wind of it, or perhaps you're simply looking to minimize your digital footprint. Whatever your reason, controlling who sees your LinkedIn profile is a straightforward process, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. Let's start by accessing LinkedIn. Open your favorite web browser and type in www.linkedin.com. Once you're on the site, you'll be prompted to sign in. You can continue with your Google account for convenience or use your LinkedIn credentials if you have them. Sometimes LinkedIn adds an extra layer of security by asking you to complete a CAPTCHA. So don't be surprised if this pops up. After you've successfully logged in, take a moment to orient yourself with the LinkedIn homepage. You'll see your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen. This tiny picture is your gateway to customization and privacy settings. Go ahead and click on it. Next, you're going to look for the Settings and Privacy option in the drop-down menu. LinkedIn is designed to be user-friendly, so finding it should be a breeze. Once found, click on it to proceed to the next level of customization settings. Now you're in the Settings menu, where all the magic happens. Look for the Visibility option on the sidebar. This section holds all the keys to controlling what parts of your LinkedIn presence are available to whom. Clicking on Visibility will lead you to a menu where you can further tweak who gets to see what. To specifically manage who can view your profile, you're going to select Edit Your Public Profile. This takes you to a screen where LinkedIn shows you exactly what your profile looks like to people outside your network, or indeed anyone on the internet who stumbles upon your LinkedIn URL. Here comes the crucial part. You'll see an option that says Your Profile's Public Visibility, which is likely turned on. This is what makes your profile visible to the world. By toggling this option off, you effectively make your LinkedIn profile invisible to users not signed in or outside of your direct network, granting you a level of privacy that you might be looking for. Remember, making your profile private could impact your networking and job opportunities, since your profile won't be accessible via search engines or visible to people outside your network. However, it's entirely your decision to weigh the benefits and drawbacks depending on your current professional circumstances. And that's it. You now have the knowledge and steps needed to control the visibility of your LinkedIn profile. Such adjustments are significant for your online presence and can be reassessed anytime as your professional needs evolve. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Remember, LinkedIn is a powerful tool for your professional journey, and mastering its settings can truly tailor your experience to suit your needs. Whether you're job hunting, networking, or merely keeping a low profile, knowing how to adjust your visibility ensures you're always in control. See you in the next video.